Welcome to Boulder. Woo.
Jump to the opposite.
The dogs are
Freaking out.
really excited to get out.
Calm down.
Oh, Poppy and Gator want to come out so bad.
Oh my god. Oh. It's wet.
All my wife wanted was snow.
I know.
And here we go. We got snow. All right, we are doing some massages with the fam in Lafayette, Colorado. It's gonna be a good 3 days. Good 3 days. Going to my favorite vegan restaurant. It's my favorite. Alright, welcome to the national park. We'll see how long Pablo walks before I have to carry him.
They do have a little That was an excellent walk. But these guys are filthy. Candlestick. Look how dirty you are, Pablo. gonna get a bath.
You're about to get a bath. We gotta go give them some baths. All right, we are heading to Pearl Street. You ready, Maya?
Ready?
This is Maya, my cousin. Elizabeth is cleaning her shoes.
I got muddy.
They got muddy. Let's go. All right, welcome to downtown Boulder. We're gonna be on Pearl Street, shopping around, looking around. my shopping, I mean, I'm gonna follow these two lovely ladies. And they're gonna tell me where to go and I'm gonna follow. Let's go. Pearl Street is over. Maya, did you have a good time?
Yes, I did.
All right. Think we're gonna be done. Thanks for tuning in.
Magazine.
See you tomorrow.